Another hearing. On another year.
Bang, bang, bang.
Keep on no mass. Or not some stubborn people. Remember you have been warned. And if you catch corona, possible your life will gone.
A social distance.
New Covid-19 Clampdown. Them say the virus hot on radar. Precisely, me up on lockdown. From this virus, me a try stay far. People, practice social distance because the place a get rough. Pay close attention to the news because the case them a get nuff. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Great Amaziah. This is Amaziah the Great saying thanks again to all my amazing fans and great respects to all viewers and subscribers across the world. If you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, please go and go do it now and hit that notification bell. Oh well, let me dive straight into the matter. Reading from the Gleaner, with over 24 active cases of COVID-19 and 5 deaths recorded in Waterford, St. Catherine, and 21 cases in Whitfield, Kingston, the government has imposed a curfew on densely populated communities to prevent an exponential spike of the highly contagious virus. The curfew took effect 6 o'clock Tuesday evening and ends 5 a.m. today. The measures will continue each day until October 20th. During curfew hours, only essential workers with identification will be allowed to enter or exit these communities. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in a statement to Parliament on Tuesday, said that Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine accounted for almost 70% of new COVID cases in September. The country reported a total of 7,191 cases as at October 6, with 4,379 being active, while 2,700 people have recovered. To date, 126 deaths are linked to COVID-19. Currently, about 140 people are hospitalized and about 39 moderately ill and 12 critical. As for Waterford and Whitfield Town, the gathering limit will be capped to at 6 in any public space from October 7 to 19th. Mr. Holness said that other restrictions, such as wearing of the mask and other physical distancing, will be strictly enforced in these communities. He, however, pointed out that residents are allowed to go to work, take public transportation, and carry out shopping, visit doctor, and conduct business activities. As for the rest of the country, the 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew will still remain until the morning of October 18th. Now, right here saw the part where y'all should be paying very close attention to. Steps have also been made to discourage party and gathering on the Heroes weekend later this month. So all of the people who are planning party and gather in a crowd and all these things, this one is for you. The curfew hours during the Heroes weekend will be from 3 p.m. on Sunday, October the 18th to 8 a.m. the following day. On Heroes Day, the curfew will again be at 3 p.m. and end 5 a.m. on Tuesday, October the 20th. So get that and get it clearly. Make sure, sir, I hear me. Anyway, no vex with me at the government, them say it. The tighter holiday measure appeared to be a reaction of the widespread criticism faced by the Holness administration when the late August spike in the coronavirus cases was linked to lax curfew window for emancipation and independence. On Wednesday, October 21st, the curfew will move to 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. each day, ending on the morning of November the 1st. With questions being raised as to why the government has not moved the curfew hours to 10 p.m. or 11 p.m., the Prime Minister indicated that the level of the compliance with the current measures would determine how the country proceed during the Christmas season. And this is where it gets probably ugly. No Christmas? Wow.
No, we need Christmas.
Or do we not? If it gets out of hand now, then we would have no choice but to have tighter measures during Christmas season, he said. Meanwhile, Cabinet approved additional changes to take effect on October 10th. Applicants on Visit Jamaica platform will no longer be required to upload their COVID-19 test certificate. They will, however, be required to present it and the usual travel authorization at the airport when they check in for their flights. While the pre-testing requirement for visitors from high-risk countries will be maintained, the procedure will be modified to permit both polymerase chain reaction, PCR, and antigen tests. This should make it easier for visitors, both tourists and our Jamaican diaspora, to meet the pre-testing requirements, as antigen tests are much more radically available and faster and cheaper than the PCR tests, the Prime Minister said. Meanwhile, Holness told his parliamentary colleagues that the Disaster Risk Management Act would be amended to address concerns by certain segments of the society who felt that the law did not provide a clear provision for the prosecution of all those who violate the protocols. He indicated that the language of the legislation has been adjusted to make it clear that the directions are being given under the order which is enforceable under Section 52 of the law.
A social distance. Keep your distance. A 6 feet distance. Hold your distance. A social distance. Keep your distance. A 6 feet distance. Hold your distance.
Gloves on, cover nose and your mouth. Don't sneeze, don't cough like your mouth. Sanitize anytime you go out. Put your mask on nose and mouth. Me keep me distance, me no respond. Pray to Father and me give thanks. Wait name, social distance. It a kill poor and rich man.
A social distance.
The whole of government is making every effort to safeguard public health as the novel coronavirus COVID-19 remains a clear and present danger to the island.
Who that a tell me fi top chat? No tell me no lie, but say a rat bat. Some say a wild dog, some say a fried cat. I got thing them a go on with them, me no like that. First a dengue fever, then cholera down ya. Then me check the ratio, see them come with chikungunya. 2012 what you did there when the world a fight Ebola. Now I try them on me here, I carry the corona. Alright, first a dengue fever, then cholera down ya. Then me check the ratio, see them come with chikungunya. 2012 what you did there when the world a fight Ebola. Now I try them on me here, I carry the corona. Everywhere you turn people about.
Big up great amazement, Butch Bandin and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amazon, the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise, I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow us there, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amazon the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.